We are making some floating shelves today. We are doing a DIY and we bought a 8-foot 2x6 that I just ripped down the middle. And the plan is we're gonna cut off about 1.5 inches or so here. And we're gonna, well, first I'm gonna drill holes for dowels. And then we're gonna rip that off, mount that on the wall, and stick the dowels in there.
Dee came up with another idea.
Fingers crossed. So, but this was very economical. We got $17 in there, including a $9 new drill bit. So really don't have much in it at all. And I've already got stain that we've used before. So give it a light sand and we're good. All right, I'm drilling the holes for the dowels. They're gonna be about 4 inches long. I just cut this and, split that measurement and come 2 inches off the end, and then one in the middle at 24. Same on the other end. Popped a little, Lord, what are those things called? A punch, so I could get a good starting place. All right. I'm going to go a little deeper than what my dowels are going to be cut, so you can get it to bottom out in the hole without hitting the tape with the drill bit. So if you got a 4-inch dowel, you want to go about 4 1/4 or so just to get past that. So here we go. I'm surprised this thing doesn't have a level on it. Nope, there we go. Once I'm hitting this shank, yeah, as long as I hit past this shank here where it changes, the dial should, yeah. It was never my best subject.
What you up to now?
Just prepping these for the stain. Not going crazy. Just make sure there ain't no burrs on there.
Get them stained up good. Dowels.
Slate gray.
Slate gray.
What we had on hand and we like the color. So.
Yep. Alrighty. It's going good so far. Morning, JJ. What you up to today?
I'm leveling out this shelf support for those shelves we built the other day, and we got our studs marked. Well, I know where that one's at. Got those 2 studs and we centered it up. Now we're just leveling it. I don't want nothing to roll off of it. All right, so we're going in with a pilot hole and then a slight countersink so the screw head sits good. Use a rubber mallet unless you want dents in. Let it know. Yeah.
JJ getting the last one put up. We already got some over here going. We'll show you the end result in just a few seconds, or minutes rather.
All right.
You about done, JJ?
About done. One more time. Look, one thing we learned with this one is I piloted the holes a little too big. So we decided to skip the pilot on the rest of them, and they felt like they're a little tighter on the wall. Because this screw has a lot of shank on it. So if you do if you do pilot hole drilling, make sure it's a really small pilot hole.
Yep, and think about what you're putting on your shelf.
Yeah.
We're just putting Legos on there, so they're pretty light.
Books or
You might want to put a wall anchor if you think about putting something heavy, I don't know.
Yeah, or some extra wall anchors
Yep.
on your studs.
Yep.
So,
Alrighty.
that turned out good.
Yep. JJ getting the last shelf put in. That's the biggest trick, getting those dowels to line up.
I freehanded it. If you could find a little jig, I would recommend it. But I got pretty straight. Not perfect. Heavy duty construction. Just take your time.
There you go. Yep, looks good. Yep, looks a lot good. There we go. Starting to get our Legos put up. JJ finished up our floating shelves. He's got some of his Lego and Star Wars little things up here. We got some more we got to get put out. Some he's got to get put together. And we got this other side. It's got some of our Disney houses, some of our cruise statues. We need to add some more cruise statues. JJ's like, no, this is what the whole room looks like. What y'all think? Hit that like and subscribe. JJ's DIY and Dee Dee's Ideas. We finished up our floating shelves. Thank you, JJ. You can tell we're some Lego Disney fanatics. Star Wars.